So today we are here at Unit 2, number 37 Tom Roberts Parade, which is the upstairs townhouse. Okay, so as you enter, you have a hallway that takes you out to access to your garage, which is at the rear of the home. And to your left is your stairs that go up to the living part of the townhouse. So as you reach the top of the stairs, to your left, you are brought out into your open kitchen, living and dining area. Quite a large, spacious area. As you can see, there is split system heating and cooling there. In the corner here, there is a little study nook, perfect for those who work from home or have children homeschooling. Ceiling fans. You also have access to the balcony as well outside. Okay, so the kitchen, nice big bench, room for a fridge. You've got your underbench stainless steel oven, 4-burner gas cooktop. Okay, so plenty of storage space in here. So coming around down the hall, you have your bathroom, so shower over bath, toilet, basin, and your Euro laundry is also in this bathroom. So as you can see, you have your basin, trough, your hot water service, and room for your washing machine and dryer. So that's in the main bathroom. So at the end of this hallway you have the first bedroom. There is a heater unit on the wall, nice high ceilings, and also ceiling fan, remote control ceiling fan, and you also have a built-in robe. So coming back out of here and across the hall, you have the second bathroom. As you will see, there is a basin, toilet, and another large shower. Okay, and behind here we have cupboards. So this is actually the ensuite for this second bedroom, and turning around you will see the second bedroom. Okay, so built-in robes in here as well. Okay, so back downstairs, and coming through this door in the hallway takes you out to your rear courtyard. So your rear courtyard, so you have washing line and your access to your garage. Now it's quite a long garage. You would fit 2 mid-sized cars in here, and you have access to the garage from the laneway which runs behind the townhouse. So that is Unit 2, number 37 Tom Roberts Parade in Point Cook.